Hello everyone, this is another video on using different types of SEO keywords in order to outrank bigger competitors. And here I'll focus on exploding keywords, or rather keywords under exploding topics. So this can be a useful strategy if the big competitor you are trying to outrank is probably not giving enough, let's say it's not valuing a certain keyword as much as is necessary, because let's say the keyword right now has a low search volume, but it is projected to have a higher search volume based on the trajectory. And when it grows, the search volume increases, what usually happens is that the keyword also captures a wider cluster. It also builds up a wider cluster of keywords, meaning that the content should cover a wider range of issues. And so if you find a topic like that and you're trying to outcompete a bigger competitor, you can place more effort on that topic, on that article, and as the keyword continues to grow, you can capture more of the cluster of keywords for that keyword. And I use the website to find such keywords is explodingtopics.com. You can also use Google Trends, but you'll have to do a lot of work there to find the topics or the keywords. And here, maybe once you find the type of keyword that you want, you can explore the cluster around it and find, let's say, the wide range of issues that you should cover in the article. So that's how to use exploding keywords to outrank bigger competitors. And I'll cover a different type of keyword in the next video. And as always, I'm promoting my Amazon affiliate niche research service, whereby I'll research and identify an Amazon affiliate niche that you can build a website on without requiring backlinks. And you can check the service description in the service details in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.